Hi, good morning. This is Gayatri, and I have come here to say the same old thing what I have told in Tamil. And so many people pinged me and asked me to translate in English, and I wanted to say the same thing what I have said you in the last video. Maybe some additions or subtractions might be there, and this is regarding the career advancement or knowledge gaining after this pandemic, and what is going to the recruitment status, and how we are going to groom ourselves, and how we are going to develop ourselves. This is the thing what I have to share. And I thought actually this pandemic period, this 3 months of period I got in my life, I take it as a learning period for me, because this all these days I was running behind money, and I was earning hard, and I was running behind my work, and I can say I didn't have time to spend with my family. I didn't have time to study or learn or gain knowledge or develop myself or to equip myself, or I didn't gain any skills, I can say. But earlier till 2009 and 2010, I was keep on learning, I was keep on studying, I was adding degrees to my name, and I was adding another other diplomas and other certificate courses, and what all things I can learn I learned. But after 2010 it stopped. I didn't do anything. But this pandemic period has given me a wonderful opportunity to gain my knowledge, and to learn more things, and to learn more people, and to gain more people, and to I'm following many people in the FB or in the YouTube or in the other social medias, and those who are sharing their knowledge, and those who are sharing their experiences with us. So from that we can gain more knowledge, and from that we can learn more things, how they have succeeded, and how they have reached their goal, and how they are in the successful position today. In past 10 years they worked hard and they moved forward. Maybe for them this pandemic period is not a break, I can see. This might be a rest for them. For me, I have stepped into a new business, so I take it as a stabilization period for my business, to understand the market, to prepare a strategy for my business. So this period is a learning period, a developing period for me. So after this pandemic, I'll be coming out with a very good competency level to compete my competitors in the market, and I can bring better strategies, because I'm analyzing the I got time to analyze the strategies. Because if it is normal days and I have started a business, in this 2 months I will not get time. Immediately I'll get the business, immediately I'll be running behind the clients, immediately I'll be chasing for the people. So I won't get time to analyze the market and analyze my competitors, etc., etc. Now I have got the period. But what I feel is, this youngsters, guys, those who are out there now, completed their degree, searching for their profession, and completed their plus 2 HSC intermediate, whatever it is, these people are not taking this period as a learning period. These people are taking this period as a very long holiday. Like, even though in holidays what we will do, earlier days we'll go for the typewriting, we will go for the computer classes, we will go for the tailoring class, we will go for Hindi class, French class, dance class, singing class. But this pandemic has become a very lazy period, I can say, for youngsters, those who are wasting their time in the social medias and the YouTubes and chit chats. So I don't want you guys to waste this time, this precious time. I can say God has given you a second chance to develop yourself. This is your second birth, I can say. Who all are standing behind, who all failed in the interviews, who all were rejected by the interviewers in the interviews, they can develop your skills, your competency level, your educational level, your knowledge level, your personality level. Everything you have to bring in a better way so that after pandemic, when you're going to face this world, you will stand as a new man or a new woman with strongest knowledge and strongest personality and strongest competency level, I can say. So use this period as a knowledge gaining, learning and developing period for yourself, because this is not going to be an end. Anyways, one day or other we all are going to face this world. The race is going to start at that moment. Who is going to win? Only the people, you know, everybody knows that survival of the fittest. Whoever is fit in the jobs, whoever fit to compete with each other can win the race. All others are going to fail. Economically, we are going to face a very, 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 very poor downfall. It is going to be a strong downfall. So everybody think like this. Everybody has fallen down now. Everybody are lying now. So immediately the pandemic opens, that is this period is over, and once everything is going to get normal, everybody should get up with the same energy, everybody should get up with the same power, and everybody starts running on that day. At that time you should be powerful, because all the people, those who are lost the job, those who are already in search of job, and those who have passed out of the college, earlier those who are already in job, they were secure and they were in the job, and the people those who are searching for the job, they got little bit small jobs and they were managing their livelihood. And the people those who are coming out of the college only were competing. But now there are three set of people whom do you want to compete, and who, so everybody is running in the race. I want you people to be equipped, to be skilled, to be powerful than before. So make this period as your skill development period. Develop your skills. Most of the people are failing in the basic communication level itself. Develop your communication level. Many people are lacking in communication. Many people are lacking in language, normal language, whatever your mother tongue also. So people, please, I request you to get yourself groomed, get yourself equipped, get yourself powerful and stronger than before, and be ready to win the game and be ready to run at any time. Okay, thank you.